What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a hop step layup in NBA 2K26. This move is super helpful, especially if you're a guard. If you're a smaller player who can't dunk consistently, this is something you definitely wanna have in your bag. It helps you get around defenders and finish more easily at the rim. Alright, let's get into it. There are two main ways to pull off a hop step layup. For the first method, don't hold turbo. If you hold turbo, your player might go for a dunk instead. As you drive toward the basket, just tap the square button or X on Xbox while pressing your left stick forward. You'll see your player perform that quick hop step animation, simple and smooth. Now for the second method, hold turbo and then push your right stick diagonally left or diagonally right toward the direction you wanna hop. For example, hold turbo and flick diagonal left and your player will perform hop to the left. Do the same diagonal right to hop to the right. Timing matters here. If you start the move too far out, your player might go for a dunk instead of a layup, but if you're closer to the rim, it will trigger the hop step layup just right. If you try the same diagonal motion without holding turbo, it will do a Euro step instead, so keep that in mind. And that's how you do the hop step layup in NBA 2K26. Try both methods out and see which one feels more natural for your playstyle. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.